TT Squad, this is Tia. Guess what I'm making today? Seafood pasta. I can say seafood. So, I got my lump crab meat. Bam, lump crab meat. Put it in there. Wow. I got my salmon. Come on, to say salmon going. I never knew salmon went in it. I drained the water off. I don't know if I pick the bones out or what. But that's in there. Bam. I got my shrimp. I got it on a paper towel because, you know, they were frozen, so. Bam. I got my red peppers and my green peppers. Bam. So I guess I'm supposed to stir this all up. I don't know. And I got my parsley, but these are zucchini pasta. Bam. And I have them in here because, you know, zucchini hold water, so it need to drain out. Bam. Oh, at the bottom of all this, I got my eggs. I only put 4 eggs in here because I'm not really an egg eater. And I'm actually making this for my nephew. Because I made a recipe earlier this week. And it was this type of pasta. They wore it out. When I say they wore it out, they was like, Auntie, when you gonna make some more? I never told them what kind of pasta it was. Never told them. Never told them at all. The eggs is in the bottom here. I only put 4. So they was like, oh, wow, Auntie, why you ain't bring us more? I was like, I didn't make a lot, and I already took my cousin some. So that's how that went. I might have to use my hand. I don't like using my hand. But my sister said, oh, it's a good way. I don't like using my hand. Let me wash my hands off and use my hand. Because it's a lot. I didn't know it was that much. But actually, this is going to be for my nephew. So, and this is a very, 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 very short video. Because it's a seafood video. It don't take long. You got to put your eggs and your onions and all the good stuff that they like. They have no idea that's going to be in here. They going to eat it. I ain't going to say nothing like I ain't say nothing with the last one. I was like, okay, y'all eat it. I put some old bay seasoning. I don't know if you put it in there, but I'm putting it in mine. It's Tia recipe. This ain't nobody else's recipe. Okay. I got everything up in here. I was telling my sister, I said, I want a seafood, but I'm not going to eat it all. I told my nephews, they was like, oh, Tia, I want some. I was like, what? My son? He don't want none. He want, again, fried chicken. That's all he like is fried chicken. That's all he like. But TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, this is T. I'm back. Now, since I got all the stuff in it, now I can use a spoon. I got the mayonnaise in here. Well, it's like light helmets. Very light. I don't know, never had it before. I just stopped eating mayonnaise since I've been putting mustard in it on my meat. My turkey meat, I get a piece of turkey meat. I put mustard in it. I wasn't using it. I don't got no crackers for them or nothing because I can't have crackers. So I don't have all that. It is, ugh. I think this is done. I don't know what else you're supposed to do to this stuff. Mix it all up in a bowl. And that's it. Don't want to taste it. Let me taste a little bit. Taste a little bit. That's good to me. Don't taste like it's no light in it. Tastes good to me. With this being said, like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. That's going to be it for the end of the beginning of the week. Next time y'all see a video, it will be breakfast time. Because I need to think of some creative breakfast. And I'm tired of just eating nothing. I'll drink a shake or something. But I got tired of eggs, so I stopped eating egg white for a while. So with that being said, let me go, TT Squad. Bye.